Today's learning is kitchen vocabulary. Frying pan, rice cooker, microwave, washing machine, mixer, hand blender, whisk, spatula, peeler, bottle opener, grater, glasses, strainer, teapot, napkin, apron, oven glove, rolling pin, toaster, spice container, fork and spoon, refrigerator, plates, knife, kettle, chopping board, measuring spoons, jug, stove, sink,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.